Hi guys.
Hi guys. So today is Sunday, September 8th. Tomorrow is Salai's 6th birthday, which is September 9th. We decided to do a last minute get together with the family, just barbecue and sing happy birthday today. So that's what we are going to be doing today. Last night my in-laws came over and helped us prepare for some things, and today we still need to get a couple things done. I need to make some rice and we need to go to the store and get some cake and ice cream.
To the garden, Daddy said.
Let me show you. So here is the marinade from last night. And then we made the potato salad. So that's there.
2 hours later.
So we're at Smith's getting Salai's cake. We have to get 3 different cakes because our last minute plan. They had bigger cakes over here, but I guess a lady came and got both of them. So we're settling for this. Yeah, that's perfect. We need to get a grill, so he's gonna get this one. It's on sale right now for $150, so he's gonna go home, get the truck, and then come back to grab this. Oh, you a present too?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Them can sit down.
Salai's first present she's opening. Oh, pretty.
A dress too.
And on your birthday? Pretty. Wow. Is that cute?
No, that's for mine.
And then what else did you get?
That's mine.
You guys can share though, right? Like, let me see. Cute. You need to give grandma a big hug and say thank you. So we got home, getting the rice ready. This is what we're dealing with right now. It's almost time to get going soon. Thankful for my sister-in-law and her hubby for coming through and helping us prepare it last night and today. Thank you, sis.
You're welcome.
My mom came to the rescue, is taking these 2 early. I'll see you at the park. Okay. Be good. All right, I'm all freshened up. We're gonna head out over to the park right now. We have all this stuff loaded up in the car.
You look cute.
We just got to the park. This is our little setup right now.
So I think
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Salai. Happy birthday to you. Insa mo. Manuia loa sofana. Manuia loa sofana. Manuia loa sofana. Salai. Manuia loa sofana. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Alright guys, that is the end of this video. The barbecue turned out really good, our little last minute birthday, so I am happy that everything went well. The kids had fun and it was fun hanging out with the family, so thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, we are trying to get to 500 subs. Once we get to 500 subs, we will give a Cash App or Venmo $100 giveaway. So like and subscribe, and then see in the description down below how to enter. But if you're here for the long run, we'll see you in our next one. Bye.